Adventure King's semi-flexible solar panels make it easy to have a quality solar setup on any vehicle, and here's how to install them. But before you first install them, make sure you don't bend them too much to avoid damaging the internal components. If you've got a rack that offers support and airflow, you can make use of the tough eyelets to simply cable tie your new solar panel down. For fixing down onto a canopy or a toolbox, you can easily drill some holes, then mount them through the eyelets with a bit of silicone to seal the holes. Or use some tough outdoor rated tape and core flute for a quick and easy install that won't leave a mark. First, grab a piece of core flute or corrugated plastic, trim it to size, and you can use it to space your solar panel up off the surface and allow for airflow to keep your panel running cool and efficiently. Attach a couple of pieces of tough, heavy-duty rated double-sided tape to the core flute on both sides. Peel one side of backing off, clean your solar panel and gently but firmly press it down. Next, you can clean your canopy surface. Then while supporting the panel, lift it into position. Make sure you're happy with where it's sitting, then remove the tape backing and firmly and evenly apply pressure. The final step to make sure it's tightly fixed down is to use a good quality sealing tape along the sides and front edge to prevent the panel lifting. The strips along each side will hold the panel down while still allowing airflow. Then it's just a matter of joining up the outputs, whether you solder them to an Adventure King's regulator or extend them out and connect them directly to your DC-DC charger. With everything connected, check that your solar is working in the sun with your battery box or multimeter and you're done. And that's how easy it is to install and connect up your Adventure King semi-flexible solar panels. Now you'll have solar power charging your batteries and running your accessories anytime you're driving or parked in the sun.